How to enable hype on your YouTube video. This is a great way to help your video reach more people. To turn on this feature, go to the YouTube website at youtube.com. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select YouTube Studio. Next, from the menu on the left, scroll down and click on Settings. After that, click on Channel on the left side, then choose Advanced Settings. Scroll down through the page until you see the Hype option. Make sure it is turned on and enabled. Once it's enabled, viewers will be able to hype your content. As I mentioned, this is a great way to help your videos get more views. If you don't see the Hype option, there are two possible reasons. First, your YouTube channel may not have at least 500 subscribers. Second, the video you want to hype must have been uploaded within the last 7 days. As long as you meet these requirements, you should be able to turn on the hype feature. And that's how to enable hype on your YouTube video.